For more videos, please subscribe to RK Math. Geometrical progression GP. A sequence in which the ratio of any term to the preceding term is the same throughout is called a geometrical progression. That means in a sequence, take any two successive terms, its ratio is always same. The common ratio is denoted by letter R and the first term is A. For example, we are taking 2, 4, 8, 16. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Suppose T2 divide with T1, 4 divide with 2, 2. T3 divide with T2, 8 by 4, 2. Next, T4 divide with T3, 16 by 8, 2. Throughout the sequence, the ratio is same. So, the given sequence is in geometrical progression. Now, to find the nth term of a GP, let T1, T2, T3, T4, Tn are in GP. Suppose T1 is equal to first term A. A can be written as A into R power 0. R power 0 means any term power 0 is 1. So, A into 1 again we will get A. So, A can be written as A into R power 0. That is equal to A into R power 0 can be written as 1 minus 1. Next, T2 by T1, second term divided with first term is equal to, I said, common ratio R. That implies after cross multiplication, T2 is equal to T1 into R. That is equal to T1 means A into R. This is equal to A into R power. There is 1 here. So, 1 can be written as 2 minus 1. Now, similarly, T3 by T2 is equal to R. T3 is equal to, after cross multiplication, T2 into R. That is equal to A into T2 means A into R. A into R into R. A into R square. This 2, power 2 can be written as 3 minus 1. So, in first term, A into R power 1 minus 1. In second term, T2, A into R power 2 minus 1. In third term, T3, A into R power 3 minus 1. Suppose in nth term, similarly nth term, Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So, the GP series is A into AR square, so on AR power n minus 1. Next example, which term of the GP 2, 2 root 2, 4, so on is 128. So 2, 2 root 2, 4, so on. There is a sequence. Here 128 is which term? We have to find. So this is the first term, 2, a is equal to 2. R is equal to common ratio, second term by first term, 2 root 2 by 2, that is equal to root 2. Let 128, now 128 is which term we are going to find. So for that, let us assume 128 be the nth term of GP. We know nth term formula. Tn is equal to a into r power n minus 1. This is equal to 128. A means 2. R means root 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 128. This is equal to 2 1 jar 2 64 jar cancellation. Root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2 power n minus 1. This is equal to 64. This is 2 power n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 64. 64 can be written as 2 power 6. Here 2 power n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power 6. Bases are equal. So there is equal symbol between these two terms. So equating the two terms, powers, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. N minus 1 is equal to 12. N is equal to, this is 13. So therefore 13th term is 128. So hence 128 is the 13th term of GP. This is the final answer. Example, find the twentieth and nth term of GP, nth term of GP, 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. Solution. This is the first term, 5 by 2. A is equal to 5 by 2. R is equal to common ratio, 5 by 4 by 5 by 2. This is equal to 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. 5 5 cancel. This is 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar, 1 by 2. Now 20th term we are going to find. T20. A into R power n minus 1. N means 20. 20 minus 1. A into R power 19. This is equal to A into, A means what is? 5 by 2. We can write 5 by 2 into R means 1 by 2 whole power 19. This is equal to 5 by, this is 2, this is 2 power 19. Bases are equal, powers add, 2 power 1, 2 power 19, 2 power 20. Here nth term, Tn is equal to a into r power n minus 1. This is equal to a means 5 by 2, r means 1 by 2, power n minus 1. This is equal to 5 by 2 into 2 power n minus 1, because this is 2 power 1, this is 2 power n minus 1. 5 by, bases are equal, add the powers, 1 plus n minus 1, 1 cancel, 2 power n. This is the final answer. The sum of n terms of a GP, sum of n terms of a GP. Suppose a sequence is Sn is equal to a plus ar plus ar square plus and so on, plus a into r power n minus 1. Now Sn, sum of n terms of GP, sum of n terms of GP, formula Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r greater than 1. This is sum of n terms of GP formula. That if r greater than 1, r greater than 1 means r minus 1, denominator r minus 1, numerator r power n minus 1 into a. Here suppose if r less than 1, a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. This is if r less than 1 formula. Next, example, sum of the series root 2 plus 2 plus 2 root 2 plus and so on to 12 terms. Suppose the series is given like this, up to 12 terms they are given. The first term is, this is a is equal to root 2. R is equal to second term divided with the first term, 2 by root 2. This is equal to root 2 because it can be cancelled, denominator, numerator cancel with denominator root 2 times. N is equal to, this is 12 because up to 12 terms. Now Sn is equal to, Sn is equal to a into, there are two formulas. It depends on r. R is root 2. Root 2 means this is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. This is equal to root 2 into a means root 2 into r means root 2 power n minus 1 by r minus 1 root 2 minus 1. This is equal to root 2 into 2 power, this is root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 power n. Actually n means how much? Yes, this is 1 by 2 whole power 12 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. This is equal to root 2 into 2 power 6 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1. This is equal to root 2 into 2 power 6 can be written as 2 power 6 is 2 power 5 means 32 into 2. That means 64. 64 minus 1, 63 by root 2 minus 1. Now the denominator is rationalizing factor. So we have to rationalize the denominator. Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. This is equal to root 2 into root 2. 2. Root 2 into 1. Root 2 into 63 by a minus b into a plus b. It can be written as a square minus b square. 2 minus 1. 1. This is equal to finally 63 into 2, 126 plus 63 into root 2, 63 root 2. This is the final answer. Example, find the sum of n terms and the sum of first 5 terms of the series. In bracket it is given GP series. Which series? GP series. 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus and so on. The solution. This is the given series. Here the first term, second term, third term. A is equal to 1. It is in GP. GP means common ratio R is equal to 2 by 3 by 1. That is equal to 2 by 3. That means second term by first term. Sum of n terms. Sn is equal to formula. Here R is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means it is less than 1. So clearly Sn is equal to formula A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. This is equal to A means 1 into 1 minus R means 2 by 3 power n by 1 minus 2 by 3. This is equal to, it can be written as denominator value 1 minus 2 by 3. LCM is 3. So 3 minus 2, 1 by 3 denominator. So 1 minus 2 by 3 power n by 1 by 3. It can be written as 3 into 1 minus 2 by 3 power n, because 1 by 3 denominator. In denominator 1 by 3 means it comes to numerator 3. Next, sum of n terms is completed. The sum of first 5 terms S5 is equal to A means 3, 1 minus 2 by 3 power n means this is 5 given 5 terms, that is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2 power 5 32, 3 power 5 243. This is equal to 3 into the LCM 243. So this is 243 minus 32. This is 211. This is equal to 3 ones are 380 ones are cancel. Now 211 by 81. This is the final answer.